Welcome to NextCart. Today, I will show you how to use the migration service in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select Migration Tool. Select the source cart and target cart corresponding to the platforms of your websites. Then proceed to check out. Step 2. Perform migration. When you finish checking out, go to your account dashboard and locate the Migrations tab. Here, you can perform the migration as many times as you want to migrate data from your current online store to the new target store. If any issue happens during the migration, our technicians will be there to support you. Step 3. Migration complete. We will keep supporting you with the recent data migration. The support will be available until your new website goes live. Enjoy your new store. With NextCart, website migration has never been easier. Thank you for watching.